Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here to introduce you to the new React Native Crisp Chat SDK. Let's go. First of all, you need to go on the Crisp website, go on the app section and developer hub. Pick the guide Chatbox SDK and React Native. Now you are on the documentation to implement it in your app. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to implement it in an Expo app, but if you want to implement it in your own React Native bare workflow, it's also possible. You need to just follow this tutorial. So first of all, you need to copy this command, go on your Expo project and paste it. Perfect. Now the SDK is installed. Now I'm using Expo Router, and in the index.tsx, I just import two methods. The first one is the most important method, which initialize the SDK with the website ID. So to retrieve your website ID, you need to go on the app.crisp.chat, go on settings, workspace settings, setup integration, and copy this website ID and paste it here. And the second method is the show method, just to display the chat box. So let me import it from React Native, perfect. And now let me reload. Nice. And if I'm pressing this button, perfect. That's all. I just show you two basics methods, which are configure and show, but there are a lot of methods in this SDK for several features, like push notifications, session data, user identification, and many other stuff. Indeed, you can find all the resources that you need on the documentation, like I said. So open chat, user identification, session data, and many other stuff like that. And there is a specific one which is push notification. To enable push notifications, you have to add the config plugin to your app.json or your app.config.js or TS if you are on TypeScript. This config plugins enables you to make a mix between your notification from your own app and the Crisp notification. Because if a customer just send you a message on the dashboard from Crisp, you want to receive it and display it like a notification. This is a Crisp notification. And you just have to put your website ID here, switch the Boolean enable to true, and switch the mode between SDK manage and coexistent. The difference is very slight. SDK manage is only for apps that only use with Crisp notification, but if you have your own notification and Crisp notification, just switch the mode from SDK manage to coexistence. And that's all.